Good morning, mathematicians. This week we're going to be working with geometry. Say that with me. Geometry. One more time. Geometry. Yes. So will you please get your math book, page 861, and join me. Okay, come on, let's go. Good. All right, so first things first, I want to show you this video today to get you a little idea about geometry for this week.
Sign me up! Have you ever noticed how many shapes you can find when you look for them? They're everywhere. When I ride the bus to school, I like to look for signs and figure out the type of shape. Here are a few of the signs I saw the other day. Can you help me describe the sides and angles of the yield sign that is in the shape of a triangle? The yield sign has 3 sides and 3 angles. The angles are equal and the sides are all the same length. Another road sign I saw was in the shape of a rectangle. Let's describe the sides and angles of this sign too. It has 4 right angles, and the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Don't stop your journey now. There's still more math to learn.
Great. Okay, mathematicians, so as you can see, geometry is the study of shapes. So now we're going to watch that video one more time, and I want you to look for the different kinds of shapes.
Have you ever noticed how many shapes you can find when you...
What's that shape? This is a rectangle. It looks close to a square, but this side and this side is longer than this side and this side, which makes it a rectangle. A square, all the sides are the same length, but a rectangle has longer sides. So this is a rectangle.
You look for them? They're everywhere.
Whoa, that was 2. We got, what shape was the refrigerator? A rectangle. Yummy, grilled cheese. Mr. Thurman, will you make me a grilled cheese later? What is this? Triangle.
When I ride the bus to school, I like to look for signs and figure out the type of shape. Here are a few of the signs I saw the...
Whoa, look at all those shapes. Will you point to a triangle? Pink. There it is. Good. Will you point to a square? Pink. There it is. Good. Will you point to a square? Pink. There it is. Nice work.
Other day. Can you help me describe the sides and angles of the yield sign that is in the shape of a triangle? The yield sign has 3 sides and 3 angles. The angles are equal and the sides are all the same length. Another road sign I saw was in the shape of a rectangle. Let's describe the sides and angles of this sign too. It has 4 right angles, and the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Don't stop your journey now. There's still more math to learn.
Nice. Great, students. So that was just a little introduction to geometry, the study of shapes. So I hope you have your math book. We're going to look at page 861. This is the link to the video you just watched. All right, let's turn the page. Am I ready? I'd like you to work on this today. Am I ready? Draw 3 triangles that look different. So you're going to go ahead and draw 3 triangles that look different. We can do that right now together. Here's one triangle, another triangle, and dink, another triangle. 3 triangles that look different. Will you point to the small triangle? Good. Okay, next. Circle the figure described. Rectangle. So you're going to circle the rectangle. Square. Rhombus. Rhombus. Will you say that word with me? Rhombus. Good. So you know that this is a rectangle. So this must be the rhombus. So you're going to circle the rhombus. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. This word quad means 4. So circle the shape that has 4 sides. This has 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a quadrilateral. Does this have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. So this is not a quadrilateral. So students, I want you to complete Am I Ready? Now, before I let you go, I want to show you these vocabulary cards. So I want you to work with these today. Now, what do you do with these? A lot of students are saying, like, what do I do with these vocabulary cards? Well, first, I want you to read them and point to them because that's what readers do, right? They point to the words. So this is an acute angle. So I'm going to point to this new word, acute angle. Acute, acute. That means it's a small angle. It's so cute. It's an acute angle because it's very cute. Okay, but the opposite of an acute angle is an obtuse angle. Obtuse. See my mouth do that? Obtuse. Because it's really big. That's the way you can remember it. Let's go back. So for these, you're going to point to the words, and I want you to say them out loud. Even if you're just talking to the wall, that's how we learn. That's how we learn to pronounce words, and it also helps us remember it. You can say it to anything, too. Hello, hand sanitizer. This is an acute angle. Hello, hand sanitizer. This is an angle. You can do that, too. Same thing for the next page. There's a lot of new vocabulary, and I want you to point to each word and say it out loud. That will help you remember. Now, you also notice on your vocabulary cards, these are vocabulary cards, right? On the back, it has the definition. So if you're thinking, okay, this is a right triangle, but like, what does that mean? You're going to flip it over, and it will tell you a triangle with one right angle. And remember, right angle is 90 degrees, so it looks like this. It's right in the corner, right angle. So for these, I want you to follow directions of reading them out loud, pointing to them, and then cut them out. So you're actually going to cut them out so you have little flashcards. And I want you to go ahead and study those flashcards today. Also, you'll be writing here. Degree has more than one meaning. Write a definition for a different meaning. So you're going to be reading these and writing the answers down. So today for math, you're going to open your math books. You're going to learn about geometry today. All right, see you tomorrow.